So today we are going to see stocks Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank. So we'll start with the overall view. So it was a negative sentiment. In the market. And then when you check major stocks, almost banking stocks were sideways while Reliance was clearly doing its profit booking because last week it was in the very good levels. IV is 18, that's why premium is literally very high. Okay, so as you could see here, when you check for May month, it just went up and this was a breakout zone and then again came back to the same zone. So this is the profit booking. Okay, I have to check for 24th. So this was this week's uptrend or kind of a range. Okay, we'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank and HDFC Bank is slowly in the parallel channel zone. So this becomes a strong resistance and becomes a strong support. So tomorrow has a chance of gap up, can go up. Now I'll check for ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank. Clearly this is SL Hunt candle. As you could see, such a big wick. So buyers are very strong here, which you could understand, and they are in the SL collection zone. So this is SL collection zone. Okay, we'll have more confirmation in the OI. So this is the OI. We'll go with so here I'm going to check for Reliance. There you go, Reliance. And then you see both OI call put is same, so it's still in the profit booking stage. Now we'll check for HDFC Bank. This is HDFC Bank. Price action shows parallel channel and here also it confirms because 23.18 almost similar OI with slightly bearish mode, that is call rating is more. ICICI is being completely sideways, so 2020 is in the deciding phase. Okay, now ICICI and HDFC is going to decide the fate for Bank Nifty. Okay, now we'll go and check for the straddle. So first off, I'm checking is Reliance here. Let's check Reliance open. So this is 15 minutes candle for today and Reliance open was 1430. So we'll take 1410 and 20. Both of them had a good decay. So yesterday it was a loss, but today it was a good decay. Why? Because you see from here to here it just went sideways. Sideways will give a positive decay, that is reflecting here. Okay, 60 range and it came down to 57.55 range. Okay, we'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank and when you check for open price, it's 1930. So again we are going to take 20 and 40, and both of them actually ended up in loss because the movements were very quick and sharp because of these wicks. Okay, so 1 was in profit, 20 was in profit, but 40 is in loss. This was in profit. Okay, we'll go to next, that is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank open was 1420, so I'll take 20. So this was profitable. Okay, now we will go and check for the close range OI. So first off, I'm going to take is Reliance. And then you could see 49 and 47 almost sideways. When we check for strangle, sorry. So you see here how the price from 40.23 it came down. So this indicates the profitable trade. Okay, now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was a bit sideways, had a gap down, and then you see 30 and 20. So clearly call rating is more, but still you can see profit booking on both sides. Okay, when you see the close data, so not much of a move in the 20, but 40 has given a nice decay, and 60 it's actually in the same zone. Okay, now we are going to check for option chain. We'll go and find out ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank. 15 minutes time frame. So here also you see 16 and 18, not much of a difference. So this is also a sideways indication. So that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.